Okay guys, welcome back to the second lesson of this module 1. So in this lesson we are going to learn some basics of AI language models, and we will explore some extra information like how LLMs process prompts datas, and we will see some examples of good and bad prompts as well, and we will see some applications of prompt engineering at where the prompt engineering will be used, and we will see some common issues that why do which prompts will fail and why do prompts fail, and we will see some solution for it. Okay, this is that's it for this model guys. So let me start from scratch. Like first, that is some basics of language models. Okay, so if you know already, you know about what are the LLMs. Means LLM means large language models. Like you will see the examples here I have shown here. Some Gemini.ai, which is developed by Google. Leonardo AI, it is an image generation tool. It is also considered as LLMs. And ChatGPT by OpenAI, Perplexity.ai, Claude AI, and Midjourney. These are some large language models. And there are some other language models like Microsoft Copilot and other AI tools out there. So I have just written here some examples that you can easily understand. So you can check it. There are a lot more LLMs out there. You can search in internet easily. Okay, let's start our this topic, that is what are the basics of language models. Okay, you can see this same here. What are the LLMs? You can see the definition here. The AI systems trained on large data sets to understand and generate human-like text is called an LLMs. Okay, you can, for example, the best example for LLM is ChatGPT. If you already use an ChatGPT, you know that it can generate the responses like human. Okay, like human is texting with us. Like this is called some large language models. So to understand the how prompt engineering works, we first need to understand language models, how the LLMs are trained and how the LLMs are process the data. Okay, so we don't go the technical part, because there's a prompt engineering is simply just learning the art of writing the better prompts. Okay, this is our main topic. So the technical part is another topic. Okay, let's see the what are language models. We will see this language models like GPT-4, Claude, okay, Gemini.ai are AI systems trained on massive amounts of text data. Okay, they learn patterns in language, enabling them to generate human-like text. Okay, in response to your prompts. Response means the AI will generate some output is an response. Prompts means you will ask a question to LLM. Okay, this is called a prompt. You already know about that. So see we will see that how they work. Okay, you can see some single line diagram here. How the basic LLM will work. Okay, first when you write the any prompt question in ChatGPT or other LLMs, it will analyze the input. Input means your prompt, your question, your query. Okay, it will analyze the input. Okay, after that it will recognize patterns, because the every LLM is trained with data in some patterns. Okay, understand it. So it will recognize in patterns. After that it will generate a output. Is simple. Is it is simple single line diagram that I drawn for you for better understanding for you. There is a lot more sim technical in these three. Okay, I am not going in the deep. Okay, just as a prompt engineer you have to know how the LLMs work. Okay, let's see. So you can see the examples of here. What are some large language models example? You can see all these things. Okay, okay. If okay, let's see the second thing, that is how LLM process prompts. Prompts means some questionnaire query that will ask. Okay, let's see how LLMs process prompts. Okay, see, when you provide a prompt, the language model analyzes it word by word. Okay, it analyzes by word, looking for, and it after that it will analyze your input. Okay, as patterns, context and intent. Okay, how it will prompts means, when you see this line diagram, so it first it will analyze input by word by word. Word by word means you will write a some sentences, the sentences have some word by word. Okay, it will analyze each and every character and word. After that, it will recognize patterns, context and intent, and what the user is actual intent, what is the user actual intent. It will analyze it, and it will generate a response based on what it has learned. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, what it generate response based on what it has learned during training. Okay, it will generate a output based on what it has learned during training. Okay, the quality of the output depends on how clearly the input, that means your prompt, conveys your intent. Okay, are you understand? I hope you understand well uh, how the LLMs work.